Oh. Yeah, oh yeah, we will. There we go. Sorry about that, people. All right. Subaru Fun SVX conversion. First startup in his car. We've got a little bit of wiring finish to do, but we wanted to hear it run, so here we go. Go ahead, Roy. All right, I'm gonna have to run throttle again. Go ahead. Oh, you're still holding ground.
Yeah, I got on the ground.
Hard to see her, but hopefully you can hear it. Purring like a kitten. Woo! There's Roy's and happy smiles. Boy. Alright, we're gonna give her one more romp and then we're done for the night. Happy, happy, happy. See if I can get the volume of the noise out the back while I romp it. Alright, that's all for now.